Welcome back to the channel. Tonight we've got another unboxing, this time a little bit more recent and of the sci-fi genre. This is the Bandai Xwing Starfighter. It's in 1:144 scale. It is the second in a series of them from Bandai. I've got a couple other ones. I'll be doing reviews on them. Smaller kit, nice and easy to build. So we'll just go through it and see what Bandai gives us in this boxing. So, standard Bandai little boxing. I picked this one up from Neo Tokyo for $9, as you can see. Great store in London, Ontario, where I live, if you're ever in the area for anything anime or Japanese pop culture, etc. And a good supply of Bandai kits. A lot of Gundams. Anyway, so that's the box. And then we have the contents. So this sort of series, basically, you don't get instructions. The instructions are actually printed on the inside of the box. It's fairly straightforward. So nothing really complicated. And also the color guides and that will also be listed on the box. So there is the color guide. And it's, of course, in Japanese, and they're thoughtfully provided an English translation for you. Alrighty, so let's go through what's in here. I have opened the bag, single bag, a couple of sprues. To start with, you don't get decals in this one, you get stickers. So ultimately, if you want to paint, you're going to have to paint yourself and mask, but there's the stickers for those that want to do that. Go that way. I've played with them once or twice on other kits. They're not bad. They work. But they are stickers. All right, going through the sprue, and as we know, we love Bandai sprue. Everything's labeled nice and clearly, so we're going to go through the, looks like there's 5 here. So we will start with sprue A1, which is right here. So A1 consists of the wing section, a wing section, upper and a lower, and looks like some of the engines and the engine covers. So that looks good. Again, very fine, crisp molding on Bandai's part, as always. You can pretty well snap together this kit. The fit will be so fine. That's sprue A1. Sprue A2 is the other 2 wing sections, more of the engines, 2 more intakes, etc. Again, very nice quality molding. Just gorgeous. Bandai, I still say, I argue, has the best mold making technology in the world right now. Then A3 is the main fuselage top. You have the R2 unit built in there. The canopy is not clear, again, just to keep it simple. But I know there's aftermarket sets. If you wanted to go that route in this scale, you could. Very nice looking. A couple of the laser lances as well in this set. A4 consists of what's left, namely 2 laser lances, the bottom of the fuselage, and the back area of the kit. Nicely recessed panel lines. Again, just absolutely gorgeous detail. See if I can zoom that in for you guys. Yeah, fairly straightforward. Nice, simple build. And then, of course, the last but not least is the base sprue, which is Bandai's standard sprue. You've seen these before on like the Star Destroyer kits, other ones I've built. You've got 3 spots for the arm to go, and then it's a little ball head. And then the attachment points. You can pose this in various configurations, etc. So, yeah, short and sweet, but that's basically what these kits are about. Nice and quick and simple. Again, you've got the sticker locations there if you want, or as a painting guide. Designed to go together nice and quick. As I said, they are available in other scales. It's a 2016 release. They have re-released it with some box sets as well, and they're still pretty common to find. So definitely check that one out from Bandai. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe. I also feature some photo details on the website for Blackfire Hobbies, blackfire.ca. And of course, don't forget to check out the Scale Model Podcast. So as always, thank you and be well.